Here's a video of some things I've bought recently. Bought things from Euroshop and an item from a car boot which I thought was an absolute bargain. So let's get underway. First thing, I went to my local car boot and I picked up this Unmatched Fury Mankind. Got it for £2, I think it was. £2, which was an absolute bargain. Really good facial picture there with Miss Socko. Got a smiley tie on with a white shirt and blue brown pants. Sorry. Really nice figure. So yeah, picked up that for £2, absolute bargain. This item I bought just before WrestleMania. I forgot to do a video about it. Picked up the WrestleMania 32 Steelbook version. Got it for something like £12 because they're doing big offer on, like 40% off or something like that. So yeah, WrestleMania 32. Okay, this item I bought from the Euroshop. Doing offer on t-shirts. So I thought I'd get this. Picked up the Rock t-shirt. Just get it open. Get out. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. Let's have a look. This is the People's Champ, The Rock, with 1996 in the middle. The logo there. And on the back of it, says bringing it for 20 years. So yeah, really nice t-shirt that. Really like it. Also being a big Rock fan myself, so yeah, that's nice. And the last thing, picked up from eBay. Recently I've decided to get back into collecting my Hasbro figures, which I'll show you some of the collection I've got so far. Here's the my collection so far. Obviously need quite a few, so there's no light on this. So yeah, that's all. I've got some mock Hasbro ones. Got the Hulk Hogan and $1 Million Man. I've got Big Boss Man at the back there and Hulk Hogan one there. That's all the ones I've got. I've actually got 2 Undertakers, but they're actually different. I think there's 3 different kinds you get. One with light hair, which that one has there. One with a lot of dark hair, but I think he's supposed to come with the coat, which obviously I don't have. So yeah, I think there's another one as well. It's to do with the eye line. One has got eyeliner underneath his eye, and another one hasn't, if you can see. So yeah, decided to get back into my Hasbro figures. Let's just show you if it's all working. Soundbox. The memories. So yeah, so this item I picked up from eBay, which is, I've not actually seen it yet. Got Kamala. This one obviously I don't have. It's going to focus. Really nice. Obviously with the pump action bit there. Springy part of his. So yeah, really pleased with that. So that'll be going in my collection. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and hopefully I'll be back very